How to remove the stem from the Invicta Pro Diver 23191. So this is a fairly easy process. We're going to use this tool right here, and what we're looking for is this little button here. The word push is written on here, so we're going to push down on here, and at the same time we're going to pull the crown with our fingers. By the way, you do this at your own risk, so you want to make sure that you realize that if you've never done it before, you could risk damaging the watch. So if you're doing it, just be careful. You don't want to apply too much force. By the way, make sure that the crown is already at its last position before you do this. Okay, now it's released, and now you can work on your watch case if you need to clean it. And then when you're done, or maybe you need to change the stem, either way, that's how you release it. And then let's just put it back in just to show you how that works. And it should lock back into place after we do that. So now it's back in place and we're ready to go, and the watch is still ticking. Let's take a look. Yep, it's all still good. And that's how you remove the stem from the Invicta watch 23191.